Hey, keto friends! Want to know the secret to staying on track and crushing your goals? It's all about regular check-ins. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful weekly check-ins that can make or break your success on keto. So stick around because these could be the game changer you've been looking for. Number 1, reflect on your eating habits. First up, food awareness. Are you really staying within your carb limits? Are hidden sugars sneaking into your meals? Take a few minutes each week to review your meals and make adjustments. A small tweak, like cutting out that sneaky sauce, can make a huge difference. Number 2, evaluate your energy and well-being. Keto isn't just about weight loss. It's about how you feel. How's your energy? Are you feeling sharp or sluggish? If you're hitting walls, maybe you need more electrolytes, better sleep, or even more protein or fat in your diet. Your body tells you everything. You just have to listen. Number 3, set a reasonable goal for the week. Last but not least, set a mini goal each and every week. Maybe it's trying a new keto recipe, drinking more water, or cutting out snacking. Small intentional changes keep you progressing and motivated. All right, keto warriors, those are your 3 key check-ins for staying on track and thriving. Which one are you going to focus on this week? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more keto tips. See you in the next video.